The incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the incy wincy spider went up the spout again. Hi, thanks for coming here to see me today to learn a little bit of something. Today we're going to learn about spiders. You probably guessed that already. People must really be fascinated with spiders because they've been singing that song for many, many years. Spiders are living. Spiders are invertebrates, which means they do not have bones. And spiders are arachnids. Arachnids are a group of animals that have 2 body parts, 8 legs, and are usually venomous, which means they have poison in them, which helps them to attack prey or defend themselves from predators. All spiders are carnivorous. Carnivorous means meat eating. So all spiders get their food from animals, not from plants. Let's talk about their body parts. Spiders have 2 body parts. They have a cephalothorax and an abdomen. Abdomen we've heard before. We have an abdomen. Insects have abdomens. And arachnids have abdomens too. Here's the abdomen. The cephalothorax. Cephalo means head. And thorax, we know, means this upper part of the body. So I guess cephalothorax is kind of a combination of all of this for the spider. The cephalothorax and the abdomen. When I say cephalothorax, touch an upper part of your body. And when I say abdomen, come down here and touch your abdomen, which remember is the lower part of your belly, the part of your belly that's just below your belly button or your navel. All right, cephalothorax. Are you touching an upper part of your body? Your head or your chest area? Yeah. If you were a spider, you'd be touching your cephalothorax. Can you say cephalothorax? That is a really long word. Cephalothorax. Cephalothorax. That's a mouthful. Abdomen. Touch your abdomen. Did you find your abdomen? Abdomen again. Touch your abdomen again. Back up to cephalothorax. All right, now let's talk about the legs. Let's count those legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. And fangs. Most spiders have fangs, which inject venom or poison into their victims, into their prey, the animal they're going to get their food from. Female spiders, the girl spiders, the females, they spin not only webs, spiders spin webs, most do, but the females, they also spin an egg sac, which they will fill with up to 3,000 eggs. And the baby spiders that hatch out of those eggs are called spiderlings. Spiderlings. I'm going to show you right now how to draw a spider in a web, which is a fun thing you might want to do by yourself or do it with an adult who could help you or an older sibling. I've learned how to do it by myself. Let me show you. Start with a little center point. Doesn't have to be very big. That's the center of your spider web. We're going to draw the web first. Now we're going to draw lines through this center point. First, I'm going to draw a horizontal line, which is a line that goes from side to side, left to right. Or you can go right to left. I'm going to go left to right. We get the word horizontal from the word horizon. When you're outside and you are looking as far as you can see, this is especially good at the ocean, when you're looking out at the ocean. And you look out across the water as far as you can see until you see the place where the water meets the sky and it seems like the earth just stops. That's the horizon. And you can see the horizon. I can see the horizon from my window. It's just kind of a bumpy horizon because it's a tree-covered hill. But when you're someplace flat, like the ocean, then you really see a flat horizon and it looks like a horizontal line. Now I'm going to draw a vertical line from top to bottom. I missed my center point a little bit, but I don't think that'll matter at the end. Now I'm going to draw two diagonal lines. Diagonal lines are the slanted kinds of lines, like going up a hill or going down a hill. So not too hard so far, right? Now I'm going to connect these lines. I'm going to make this one a little bit longer. I'm going to connect these lines with lines that I'm going to try to make as straight as possible. I'm going to start with the outer lines, the edges of my lines that I've been drawing. Go from that one to that one as straight as I can. Straight, 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 straight. Now I'm going to come in towards the center just a little bit, and I'm going to do that again. I'm going to get a little closer to the center and do it again. And again. And one more time. I think that looks like a spider web. But just in case someone's not sure what it is, let's put a spider on it. First, we'll give it a cephalothorax. And then we'll give it a larger abdomen. And how many legs? 8 legs. Looking at my model here, it looks like 2 are coming up from the top of the cephalothorax. 1, 2. 2 are going out at angles from the side of the cephalothorax. 1, 2. 2 are coming straight out from the cephalothorax. 1, 2. are coming off the sides of the abdomen. 1, 2. Now, anyone would know that that's a spider web. All right, let's end this lesson here. Thanks so much for coming. Please come to another lesson. I'm going to read you a fun story about spiders that we really enjoy at the Philomath Montessori School. I'm sorry, did I forget to introduce myself? I'm Donnie from the Philomath Montessori School of Philomath, Oregon. Come back to hear a great story about spiders, a fun story, a pretend story. Bye-bye.